In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 977, squares of a sorted array. Now, what this question is asking is it's saying, given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. Now, this is a very basic question, and it's great for beginners. We can see here we have nums equals -4, -1, 0, 3, and 10, and the output is 0, 1, 9, 16, 100. This is because after squaring the array, it becomes 16, 1, 0, 9, 100, but after sorting, it then becomes the output we saw here, 0, 1, 9, 16, and 100. For this, all we'll have to do is write a really simple solution, and it actually can be done in one line. So we can come down and we can do return sorted, and what we're going to do is we're going to do I squared for I in nums. Now to go through it piece by piece, this sorted function is going to do what we want here, sort the function, and we're doing I squared, so we're squaring each I value in nums, for I in nums. I'll put a visual on screen here to help you guys, and for now we'll run and test our answer. Now we can see our answer was accepted, and we can submit. Now we can see here that our answer beats 32% in terms of runtime and 67% in terms of memory. Now that's you can do LeetCode 977 in one line, squares of a sorted array. Please like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I hope that helps.